Great day mga katantuko. Welcome to Tantuko TV. So, welcome to another episode of Miracle Peptide Story Vlog. So, as we spend this Lenten Holy Week, no? Maganda mapag-usapan dito, no? Yung mga miracles na na-experience natin, no? And nung napanood ko to kay Berwin, no, pakinggan nyo and watch it.
Lahat ng miracle sa Biblia, nag-umpisa yan sa isang problema. Kaya this is my encourage to everyone. Kapag may problema ka, you hold on to it, you pray for it, next is the miracle. Because the Lord will answer. No matter what. Alam mo, buhay ang Panginoon, Tita Aster.
Totoo naman.
Buhay ang Panginoon.
Oo.
Nasa sa atin na lang kung paano tayo makikinig.
Oo, diba guys? Ano sabi doon? In every miracles, no? Talagang ano yan eh. May mga challenges tayong hinaharap. And then from there, when we pray, diba? Suddenly, meron tayong mga na-experience na kakaibang pangyayari sa buhay natin that would change our life, diba? Yan, parang yan, diba? Parang si Handsome, diba? Have you experienced miracle?
Yes.
Diba? If you see him way back when he was still young, very young, diba? He was suffering from psoriasis, no? So ano sabi ng doctor sa amin? Walang cure, diba? And yun nga, balik tayo, no? So we prayed, and we really experienced the miracle when we started using the miracle peptide, diba? And lagi kong sinishare, lalo na whenever we meet new clients, no? Nasabi ko, when you pray, you need to be sensitive. Kasi most of us, we just pray. Pero after that, nalilimutan na natin kung ano yung pinag-pray natin. Masyado na tayong disturbed dun sa challenges na hinaharap natin, dun sa sakit na meron tayo. Well, no? Well, I'll show you. This is what happened to my son, no? And if you're gonna see his skin, maaawa ka talaga. Pero at the end of the day nga naman, really am thankful na may breakthrough na nangyari, di ba? If you see him today, no, wala siyang iniinom na any medicine, any vitamins, and we could maintain, no, yung skin niya na ganyan ka-flawless, di ba? So guys, as we start the week, this Holy Week, and really pray to be more sensitive and how God gonna touch your life so many ways, no? And if God answers your prayer, no, maging sensitibo tayo. Huwag nating baliwalain, no? Huwag nating parang deadmahin lang. And to those people who really wanna experience, no, miracle through miracle peptide. Grabe guys, there's so many life-changing experience na pwede namin ikwento, and eventually one by one we will share it to you from really diabetic patient to high blood to paralyzed to anxiety to lupus to skin allergies, no, to eye problem. There's so much stories to share, and yun. I really want to encourage everyone to have faith, and more than that is to, if you really wanna really experience what we've experienced, no, don't hesitate to message us at Miracle Peptide Story page, no, and also you can visit our Tantuko TV YouTube channel, Facebook, TikTok, and Instagram account, no. And guys, we're very happy and we will be very open to really share to you the greatest experience we've really seen. Talagang grabe lang, life-changing. And well, enjoy the Holy Week, and as we always say, no, when science ends, Miracle Peptide stories begin. So always be happy para walang anxiety. society.